Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong game freezing, low FPS, crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other errors on PC. The first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the start option over here, then click on power, then select restart. After restarting your PC, now launch the game and see if it is launching now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and after click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now launch the game and check if this solution resolves the problem. Next is to update graphics card. For that, go to search option, search for device manager. After that, go below, expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then again click on search automatically for drivers. After updating your drivers now or graphics card, now launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Nvidia and AMD users, go through this link I have already given in the description and update your graphics card and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you need to type -DX11, then launch the game and check if it fixes. If not, type -DX12 and then launch the game and then see if it resolves the issue. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on change settings. After that, search your game over here. If it's listed, then well and good. Otherwise, click on allow another app. Click on browse and from here go to the game folder. Select your game and add it to the list over here. After adding it, search your game, select it, click on both private and public boxes and then click on OK. After this, launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on general. Here, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It will be enabled by default. You simply need to click on it and it will be disabled. After that, launch the game and see if you can play it. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under processes tab, search for the apps that is of no use, select it, right click on it, click on end a task. After this, launch the game and see if it fixes the problem. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, open Steam, select your game. Under library, click on manage, then click on browse local files and it will go to the game folder. Select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, launch the game and check if it resolves the problem, or else select run this program in compatibility mode for and click on Windows 8 or Windows 7, then click on disable full screen optimizations and finally hit on apply and OK. After this, play the game and see if it's playing or launching or showing the same problem. Next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Under here you need to click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, go to downloads and here go below and click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. After this, hopefully the issue will be resolved. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go to your browser, copy this link and paste it in your browser. I have provided the link in the description. After this, go below and download the Visual C++ files on your PC. After downloading it, install it on your system and then launch the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings option over here, then click on advanced. After that click on change option, then select your drive. After that click on custom. Here you need to type 24576 in the initial size and maximum size is 49152, and hit on set and then OK. After this, launch the game and see if it has helped you to fix the problem. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So make sure you disable all the third-party overlay applications enabled like MSI Afterburner or NVIDIA Shadowplay, and then try to launch the game. Hopefully this will solve the problem. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to Windows search for check for updates. Here you need to click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, update your Windows, and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. Next is to allow run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, again go to Windows search for graphics settings. Now go below and search for your game, or you can even search from the list, or else if it is not added, click on add desktop app. Go to the game folder where your game has been added or installed. After that, after adding your game to the list over here, you simply need to click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference you need to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So you can either go to the control panel to remove the game, or go to Steam and select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall. Once done, restart your PC. After restarting, go to Steam and reinstall the game once again. After reinstalling, try to play it. Hopefully now you can easily play the game without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.